In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invoice with Acuity Scheduling. Understanding the nuances of invoicing effectively can really help streamline your business operations, so let's walk through the process step by step. It's all about transforming client appointments into clear professional transactions, and here's how you can do it with ease. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the invoice creation page within Acuity Scheduling. Start by logging into your Acuity Scheduling account, where you'll likely be familiar with the user-friendly main navigation menu. Once you're in, look for the Invoices section. Clicking on this will take you to where you can manage all your financial transactions. Now focus your attention on the option that says Create New Invoice. This is where all the action begins and where you'll start crafting your personalized invoices. Next, it's time to add your client and line item details. In the field labeled Client, you have a choice. You can either select an existing client from the drop-down menu, which is great if you're dealing with repeat clients, or if it's a new client, simply click on Enter New Client to input their information manually. This capability ensures that your client database remains current and organized. Moving on to the line item section, click Add New Item. This is where you'll detail the specific services or products you're invoicing for. Acuity gives you a little helping hand here, as it might autofill this section with information from your existing appointment types. However, if this doesn't suit your needs, you can enter the price and quantity manually, ensuring everything accurately reflects your business offerings. Now let's delve into customizing and sending your invoice. Consider adding any applicable taxes, ensuring all pricing is accurate for both your records and the client's understanding. Additionally, you can include a personal message for your client. This is a great opportunity to thank them for their business or give any additional instructions or notes regarding the service or product. Establish a due date for the invoice, which helps in managing your cash flow. Before finalizing anything, take a moment to preview the invoice. This step is crucial for catching any errors or omissions before the client sees it. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Create and Share or Send to forward the invoice to your client. This step is designed with convenience in mind. Your clients receive a direct link within the invoice that allows them to settle the payment seamlessly. Acuity does a wonderful job here by automatically updating the status of the invoice once payment is made, keeping you in the loop without the hassle of manual tracking. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive way to manage invoicing through Acuity Scheduling, ensuring each transaction is clear and professional. By following these steps, you're leveraging Acuity's capabilities to their fullest, enhancing your operational efficiency. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough helps streamline your business processes.